Are you tired of using old and inefficient garden tools, wasting time and energy that could be better spent enjoying your outdoor space? I mean, think about it, every minute counts when you're trying to get your garden looking its best. The GX50 engine is a game changer for home garden owners like you. It's designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient, solving the problem of tedious and backbreaking work. This engine is perfect for those who want to power their garden equipment with ease, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. It's a 47.9 cubic centimeters engine, which is a great size for most gardening needs, providing the right amount of power without being too bulky or heavy. Now let's break down the specs. The GX50 engine has a 1.47 kilowatts power output, which is plenty of power for most garden tasks, such as cutting thick grass or trimming dense hedges. The 47.9 cubic centimeters engine size is compact and efficient, making it easy to handle and store, even in small gardens or sheds. The 4-stroke engine is reliable and less prone to vibration, which means less maintenance and a longer lifespan. It comes with a 1-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. The 4-stroke engine is also more environmentally friendly, producing fewer emissions and less noise pollution. Each of these specs matters. The power output means you can tackle tough tasks with ease, the engine size means it's easy to maneuver and store, the 4-stroke engine means less maintenance and a longer lifespan, the warranty means you're protected in case anything goes wrong, and the environmentally friendly design means you can feel good about using it. For example, you can use it to power a lawnmower to cut your grass quickly and evenly, or use it to power a trimmer to tidy up your garden edges, or even use it to power a hedge trimmer to get your garden looking neat and tidy for a barbecue with friends. You can also use it to power other garden equipment, such as a cultivator or a chainsaw, making it a versatile and valuable addition to your gardening arsenal. Imagine being able to quickly and easily cut your grass on a sunny Saturday morning, or using it to power a hedge trimmer to get your garden looking neat and tidy for a barbecue with friends. The GX50 engine makes these tasks a breeze, saving you time and energy that you can spend on more enjoyable activities. In my opinion, this engine is a great choice for home garden owners. It's powerful, efficient, and reliable. The only downside is that it can be a bit noisy, but overall I'd give it an 8 out of 10. With the GX50 engine, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest gardening tasks with ease, and you'll be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor for years to come. I highly recommend checking out the GX50 engine if you're in the market for a new garden tool. It's a great investment for any home garden owner. The link to buy it is in the description below. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you think. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and gardening tips. I'm always looking for new and innovative products to share with you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback on the GX50 engine.